Hey guys, I just want to reiterate on something here. I'm actually putting a catch can on my 2017 Camaro, and the way a lot of the other videos show it, they show it going straight from the inlet to the outlet on the throttle body, which basically is this connected from the top down to the bottom. Well, what our problem is what every other video shows is you run it from this to this on the catch can. So this is a 17. The instructions are a little different. You're going to start with this one, which is the bottom. You got to cap it. And the top one, you got to put your connector to. You just run the hose to it. So just to show you what I'm talking about, let's get it. This right here is the catch can. So then you just say Mighty Mouse. This right here has a number 8 fitting on it, which it says all the fittings is supposed to fit. And we got one at a 45 degree, which on the other videos is showing actually 90 degree elbow, but depending on how it's routed is what you're supposed to do. These little tools, this and this, is what they give you so you don't scratch it up. Now, this is what it got going. Up in there is the upper one. I'll get to it so you can see it. That one in there. That upper one is what actually goes to it on there. So, which is up in here. Right up under your cover. It's this one. And unlike the other videos where they show, let me get it here, the big holes. Everybody else has come with a small one, 2 small ones. This one actually has a bigger one coincide for this size vacuum hose. Well, on this one, it goes over, and you gotta remove your oil cap right here. So what it is, you take off, you unscrew the original oil cap that goes on here, that's sitting there, and you replace it with that. Just needs to be hand screwed on and it works fine. This hose just pushes on. So what we get ready to do now, where I'm at, is we're going to connect this to the dirty side, and they give you the small one, which is that small hose, going to the clean side, which is smaller. This is the number 6. This is the number 8. So what I'm getting ready to do now, guys, is take this and install it. I put the fittings on already. Other than giving me the 90 degree, they gave me the 45 and a straight. So it's gonna sit in here like this, so you can see this side. And they always recommend that you take the bottom where you see that window, and you start seeing oil right there on the bottom of that window, you need to change it. Mighty Mouse. So let's get that piece on. Okay guys, I forgot to show you this right here. It goes around, and you have to install this bracket. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Let me let you see it from a little far. Pain in the butt because it's kind of hard to get a 10 millimeter, or I forgot what size it was, on the opposite side, which is inside this radiator. This is adjustable. The bottom one has to sit in one of these braided holes. They have little grids, so it sits in there. So this is vertical, which is this bracket here. The can sits down in there. This goes across around there like that. and you tighten the can to it. So I'm gonna need both hands to do that. Give me a second. Let's make it happen. Okay guys, one more thing. Get this around here, all you have to do is take that bolt off. Makes it real adjustable. So you need to do that in order to fit around the lip of this window. So it's just simple stuff. It's not bad. So let's get him down there. Okay guys, one more note. This end here, only thing it fits, I'm thinking it was a 10 millimeter, well actually it's an 11 millimeter. That's what fits on there. You can tighten this. And I'll get it down in there, cut it back on. Okay guys, it's a little bit hard to get that down in there with the holes and connects. That's why it's always better if this one on this side was a 90 degree, but they gave a 45. So I'm gonna attach the hoses and cut them, which this hose has to be cut here, around about give or take to the best of your fittings. And the way I got it running is I got it under the intake, out of the way, then coming up connecting to that. So we're gonna cut this hose and get these fittings on, make it happen. Let's get it. Alright guys, this was a little job, getting that hose to get on there, put them onto the ends, get him down in there. Guys, looks like he's in. Found it. One going to that port, which is the clean side. It's the upper hose on the throttle body, and the other one going to that. Get it focused. There we go. Nice. Alright guys, that's your Mighty Mouse hookup, and of course it's your breather. Look down in there, it's pretty filled. Just unscrew this piece to dump it and loosen it. Make sure it's all the way down. Alright guys, Mighty Mouse Catch Can out.